Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Marhaba al-mahbuba ya habibi wa habibti Madrasah Sanawiyah Islamiyah Hikmatul Fadilah. Ahlan ya jamil wa jamila habibi wa habibti. Ahlan bik ya mualimah. Ismi mualimah Tuti Wadani Bako SPD. Ismi mualimah Darajwana SPD. Sabah khair habibi wa habibti. Sabahun nur, sabahun ful, sabahun. ازيك حبيبي وحبيبتي. الحمد لله خير يا معلمة. يلا بنا نبدأ النشاط بقراءة البسملة. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. حبيبي وحبيبتي, before we start our lesson, let's recite our yell. Hikmatul Fadilah. Let's do. Hadas is my right, Ais bil akhlak. Ya Rabbah, ampunanmu adalah harapan untuk hamba dan kedua orang tua. Amin. Halawatul Tadris.
Habibi wa Habibti, our indicator of our lesson and harda, be able to mention the functions of skeleton of human, be able to identify the structure of bones, and be able to identify the process of ossifications. Our topic is human motion system. Our subtopic about bone structure. Human can move because there is a motion system that works. For example, human can stand up straight, do gymnastics, and move freely because there is a motion organ. The motion system in human consists of the skeleton or bones as passive motion organ and muscles as active motion organ. The skeleton is an organ that can support a human being and can help human being to move. There are two kinds of the skeleton. There are the external skeleton and the internal skeleton. Humans have an internal skeleton. Some animals have an internal skeleton and some have an external skeleton. Habibi wa Habibti, the human skeleton functions are passive motion organ because bones can work to move by helping of muscles to support the body and give shape of our body, a place for muscle to attach, to protect internal organs, and forming of red blood cells and white blood cells. Bone structure consists of grooves, bulges of rough points at the ends and holes. The grooves and bulges functions place for muscle attachment. The holes function as the entry and exit of blood vessels and nerve. In the human motion system, the bone structure consists of several layers. There are peristome, compact bone, sponge bone, marrow cavity or medulla cavity, and cartilage. Osteum is a membrane that is firmly attached to the bone, the function for the growth and repair of bones. The peristome contains blood vessels that carry food to the bone. Compact bone or hard bone is a layer of hard and strong bone containing bone cells, blood vessels, elastic fibers, calcium, and phosphor. This calcium and phosphor chart elastic fibers to keep bones strong. Sponge bone is found at the ends of bones and it's not as strong as compact bone. Inside the sponge bone is a fatty tissue called marrow. Red marrow is at the end of the sponge bone. Yellow marrow is in the middle of the sponge bone. And the last, cartilage, at the ends of the sponge bone covered by cartilage. This cartilage is a thick, soft, flexible layer and composed of cells surrounded by a protein matrix. In addition, cartilage is found at the ends of the ribs, walls of the respiratory tracts, nose, and ears. The process of bone formations occurs immediately after the formations of cartilage. The process of converting cartilage into hard bone is called ossification. After the cartilage is formed, the inside will be hollow. Cartilage contains osteoblasts or bone-forming cells. Then, osteoblasts will form osteocytes or bone cells. The process of ossification starts from the center of the cartilage and then extend in all directions according to the bone growth. Then, each bone cell will surround the blood vessels and nerve cells, forming a system called the harvest canal. Next, around the bone cells will be the bone matrix. This protein compound will bind to the elements of potassium and phosphorus so that the bone matrix hardening, which is called ossification.
ماشي يا حبيبي وحبيبتي، خلاص watching the video. خلاص ولما فهمتوا معي يا حبيبي وحبيبتي؟ فهمنا ولما؟ هل من مزيد من السؤال؟ Do you have any question? If you have question, you can ask Molima على طول. شكرا على استماعكم. Please keep healthy. Always do social distancing. Use your key mama. Wash your hands after do your activity.